Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV12 is flashing red and won't start, it indicates an issue with the battery. This usually happens when the battery is depleted or has reached the end of its lifespan. If left unaddressed, your vacuum cleaner will remain unusable, which can be quite inconvenient, especially if you rely on it for cleaning your home. To carry out this repair, you will need a new Dyson SV12 battery, a Phillips screwdriver, and a plastic opening tool. First, ensure your Dyson is unplugged and turned off. To start, locate the screws at the back of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, gently remove these screws, taking care not to strip them. Once the screws are out, use the plastic opening tool to carefully pry open the casing. Be cautious as you do this to avoid damaging the surrounding components. Now that you have access to the internal parts, you will need to locate the battery. It is usually situated near the base of the device, connected by a couple of wires. Carefully disconnect these wires, noting their positions for reassembly later. When you have disconnected the battery, gently pull it out of its compartment. Take your new battery and insert it into the same position, making sure it's secure. Reconnect the wires, ensuring they are firmly attached but not pulled too tight. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, it's time to reassemble your Dyson. Carefully align the casing and press it back into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tight but not over-tightened, as this can crack the casing. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV12 and turn it on. If everything has been done correctly, you should no longer see the red flashing light, and your vacuum will be ready to use once again. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly clean the battery contacts and avoid leaving the vacuum on charge for extended periods when it's not in use. Always store your Dyson in a cool, dry place to prolong battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.